again, part 3 of the Petare 1 strip down and rebuild program we'll be running. Today we're going to take off the conrod, the camshaft, and then take out the crankshaft, and then we're down to a bare chassis and ready for cleaning up and getting everything checked, ready for putting back together, clean up, paint and whatnot. So first thing we're going to do today, take the conrod off. By doing that, there's 2 bolts. You can see from the top access down here. And all what is for there is a tab washer on each side. Bend the tab washer back, undo the nuts, and the conrod should come off. So we'll do that now. One tab washer undone. Each side done. And there's a tab washer. That part there just bends up against the flat of the nut, just stops it coming undone. Get this side off, and then the conrod should come out relatively easily. If you don't drop it in the bottom of the bloody case. Shite. Right, now we've got the tab washer off. Just gently tap the bottom part of the bearing out. One part. Carefully. The bottom part, bearings, bearing shells, like brand new, literally like brand new. Next job, need to take this round. There should be a bolt in there. I'm slacking this retaining plate off, or backing plate, and that should allow a bit of free movement for the camshaft to come out. Muck on the end of that. There we go. Be careful of that. And the bearing plate there. Alright. Take that out there. Oh. Careful not to damage the load. Need 3 hands for this job. And there we go. There's the camshaft. Bit of muck on it, but there's no marks, scars I can see. A lot of victory. So there's the camshaft of the Petare 1 engine out. That gives us a bit of room now. We can get that a buff up. Little marks on it, but next take the crankshaft out. Right, this has proved more troublesome than what it should have been. This is the gear on the end of the crankshaft. I've had to get a bit creative with a wedge. We've got it off so far, but not happy about having to really brace 7 bells out of it. So it's come off the shaft, this gear has come off the shaft just enough to allow me to get a puller on it. So now I'm going to just tighten that on, get the right size spanner would help. That'll do. Right, so what we'll do now, just hold it with that, just something to pull against. What I've got in there, I've got a nut just to bring the centre of the shaft out a little bit, and we'll wind this in, and hopefully this should be just enough to finish off without being too rough with it. Right, I've swapped that nut out for a little quarter drive socket. We'll have another go. We'll get this little key out. Should just carefully. Should just pop out that. A little bit of persuasion. And there's the key that goes in the end of the camshaft. Pop that there. And now the camshaft should, careful, nice and gently, and there we go, and there's the camshaft out. That's petrol engine A1 fully stripped down and ready to degrease, paint, and then we'll go through next video. Well, this should be painted up, and we'll go through each component part, measuring, check if things are in tolerance, check for wear, and we'll go through the rebuild process step by step. Do short little videos, each component, so in future, if there's anything you want to do, you just look for a video for each part and individually as we go through. Okay, thanks very much. Till next time.